Question 24. ABC is a right angled triangle. Calculate the length of AB. Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So this is the length AB here. This is the side length we have to calculate. We always check to see if we can use Pythagoras' theorem, but we can't here because I only have one length and I need 2. Because it's a right angled triangle, I know my next approach is to use trigonometry and SOHCAHTOA. This is the angle I'm going to use, the 38 degrees. I'm going to label the triangle. The 16 is the hypotenuse. The length I want is called the opposite because it's opposite the angle I'm dealing with. And the side BC down here, I don't need to work it out, but it is called the adjacent. I then look at SOHCAHTOA. I want the opposite and I've got the hypotenuse. So I tick all the H's and O's, and you can see I'm going to use sine. If I try and use cos or tan, they can only be used if you're either working out the adjacent or you have that length. And you can see here I do not have the adjacent length and I haven't been asked to work it out. So from SO in SOHCAHTOA, I need to know that the sine of 38 degrees is the opposite, which is what I want to work out, divided by 16. And you need to know that it's opposite divided by hypotenuse. The O comes first, followed by the H. I want to work out the length of the opposite, so the opposite of dividing by 16 is multiplying. So the sum I need to type into my calculator is 16 times sine 38. That comes to 9.85058 and so on. I then check the level of accuracy needed, which is 2 decimal places. So the answer I'm going to give is 9.85. In terms of marks, and it is only a 2-mark question, the first mark is for getting a correct expression in terms of sine, and the second mark is for the correct answer.